Hey guys, welcome to another video of SAP EWM basics. In today's session, we'll learn storage bin creation methods. So first of all, what is storage bin? Storage bin is a smallest addressable place in the warehouse. It is going to have unique identification number, and this bin is going to have the attributes like size, length, width, height, how much weight it can bear, what is the volume it can bear. So the storage bin creation methods are three methods. First, manual bin creation method. So we will create the bin manually in the T code /n/SEWM/LA01. So wherever in the staging areas, in the work center, so we have to create the limited number of bins. So that bins can be created through manual bin creation method. Then the next method is storage bin creation through bin structure. So if you know the structure, bin structure, like number of aisles, number of stacks, number of levels, based on that we can give one bin structure to the system. So based on that we can create thousands of bins in one click. So the T code we are going to use the storage bin creation to the bin structure is /n/SEWM/LS10. Then we have a final method. So storage bin creation through uploading tool. So let's say a customer, a client moving from legacy system to SAP. So if they are willing to go with the same bin numbers which they have used in the legacy system, so straight away that all bin numbers can be uploaded to SAP system through uploading tool method. So the T code is /n/SEWM/SBUP. So for in this we have three steps. First, you have to download the template of storage bin creation. Second, you have to give this template to the client to fill all the bin details along with warehouse number, storage type, required storage section and storage bin types. Then upload to the system in the T code /n/SEWM/SBUP. So these are the three different bin creation methods. Thanks for watching. For detailed configuration, master data and testing, contact given below numbers.